All right, time for CSS Battle for August 15th. Okay, can't type style. All right. Hmm. All right, this one actually looks really interesting. I do not have time today for interesting. Background is almost white. This one looks interesting because, so you have this shape with the top corners radius. You have this other shape inside of it that is the same shape. You could imagine this being a linear gradient and that being the difference. This one has white in the middle. This one has another element in the middle. This feels like something you could use either fonts or variables to resize and kind of mimic. Um, so it would be, yeah, you could do a couple of radial gradients and a linear gradient with some variable sizes to make the thing. Ugh, I think I have time for that. Let's try it. Radial gradient. Can I? Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Radial gradient from blue to transparent. It's going to be 1Q. It's going to be, I don't know, 60 pixels. It's going to be at 20 pixels. And I'm seeing my body come into play, so I'm going to change this selector to that for a minute. So it's going to be at 50 pixels, 110, 90, 80. Could be bigger than that. It's going to be too big. Let's see. 100 and 20. And then down, I don't know, 150. Okay, so that's the right radius, but that pokes through. Huh. I don't. Time. I've already wasted 4 minutes. I don't have time to do it that way. So, abandon all hope. And let's do it the obvious way. Uh, 70 and 20. That's pretty close. Border radius 100 pixels, 100 pixels, 0, 0. Okay, there's the outer thing. Now I need the inner thing, which is going to be a paragraph. It's going to have padding of, I don't know, 40 and 80. It's going to have a background of this color. It needs to exist. Margin 0. I'm just going to position fixed. I can probably do it without, but I probably don't want to. Okay, so that thing has border radius that I don't need. I can't easily get rid of it. Margin's going to be 20 and 100, something like that. 30. Now it needs to be bigger. Padding's 50. Okay, there's that. And now the inside, I'm just going to do one more element, plus paragraph selector. Background, it's going to be blue for now. I'll fix it in a minute. Padding of 40, 70, margin 10. Oh, position fixed. Okay. 40 and 110. See if that's right. That looks like the right size. And border radius of 50 pixels. 50 pixels, 0. All right, and then background is going to be blue. No, I have to say linear gradient first. Linear gradient, blue, white, blue. It's going to be close. Be from. It's going to be 90 degrees. The end is going to be 0. This is going to be, I don't know, 50. 0. And I'm just going to put a number in here. Okay. This is going to be 90. This is going to be 50. All right, that should be a match. All right, that's a match. I'm just going to variable-wise stuff. I'm not going to try to be clever today. Although, can I? That's too much, right? Yeah, that's too much. Not quite. 17.5. It's not saving anything. That one was right. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, it is. Okay. 50 is what percentage? 20. The number's too big. 15. 12. That looks too little. 13 is too big, of course. 80 is going to be bigger. 7.5, of course. Uh, 50 pixels is 53Q. 53Q. 100 pixels is 25 VW. VW. I don't know why I have caps lock on. 25 VW. 53Q. Anything else? 90 pixels, which is going to be 94Q. 93, 95Q. See if that's still a match. Yep. All right, minifying. Yeah, so I would, like I said, I think this is one where there can be some low scores by using variables and adjusting things. I am not going to achieve one of those low scores today. I think I have to have that. Yeah. I am going to achieve a perfectly mediocre score with 304 characters. It's not that mediocre. It's pretty bad. All right. That's it for today. 12 minutes. See you guys next time.